Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are doing topic 16-5, pictographs. So a pictograph is similar to a bar graph. It still gives us information, except instead of using bars to measure the amounts of things we're counting, we use pictures. So here you see favorite ball games, and they list baseball, soccer, and tennis. And so for baseball, they put 2 baseballs. For soccer, they put 8 soccer balls. And for tennis, they put 4 tennis balls.
The tally chart shows the favorite ball games of Ms. Green's class.
Okay, so this time we're using a table with tally marks, which is a tally chart. So if you had a class, if we were in class today, we might ask how many people like baseball, how many people like soccer, how many people like tennis, and then we would count the raise of hands and we would make tally marks. So let's just assume this is even our class. This is Miss Green's class. 2 children like baseball, and 8 children like soccer, and 4 children like tennis. Remember, with tally marks, you do 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5th one is a diagonal line, and then 6, 7, 8.
How many children like soccer the most?
So 8 children like soccer the most.
8 children like soccer the most. How many children like tennis the most?
4 children like tennis the most.
4 children like tennis the most. How many children like baseball the most?
2 children like baseball the most.
2 children like baseball the most. You can make a pictograph to show the data in a tally chart.
So the tally chart used tally marks to tell how many children like each sport, and the pictograph will just use pictures. So we will use 1 picture for each child. So the number of balls used in each line will tell how many children like that sport.
The title and labels are the same as the tally chart. What needs to be added to complete the pictograph?
So we need to add pictures.
Symbols that represent the data in the tally chart need to be added. What symbol should represent the data?
So again, you can use all different kinds of pictures. Here they just use little stick figures of children, and then they put a little key down here to let you know that each little stick figure is equal to 1 child. Sometimes if you were counting large numbers of people, you might say each stick figure is 2 children or 5 children. So here we see the little stick figures are the pictures using to, as a symbol, using to let us know how many children like each sport.
The symbol will be used to represent the data. Each represents 1 child. What other symbol could you use to represent the data?
And that would be what we saw on the first page when we started the lesson. We could use actual pictures of balls. So they used baseballs for baseball, soccer balls for soccer, and tennis balls for tennis.
You could use a round ball as a symbol.
And again, we look here. So that means 2 children like baseball, 8 children like soccer, 4 children like tennis.
Draw the symbols to show the data. Look at the first row of the graph. How many children chose baseball as their favorite sport? 2 children chose baseball as their favorite sport. Look at the second row of the graph. How many children chose soccer as their favorite sport? 8 children chose soccer. Now look at the last row. How many children chose tennis? 4 children chose tennis. Are the answers the same as for the tally chart? Explain.
Yes, they are.
Yes, the answers are the same. So the data in the pictograph and the tally chart are the same. Now you know how to make a pictograph using symbols to show data.
Okay, boys and girls, that's it for today's lesson. Keep practicing, keep watching the videos to review time. Have a great day. Stay safe. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.